Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore unemployment benefits account access with UI Online step by step clearly. To restore access to your unemployment benefits account using UI Online, start by navigating to the UI Online website. Enter the URL in your browser's address bar and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page where you need to enter your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will take you to a password recovery page. Enter your email address associated with your unemployment benefits account. Check your email inbox for a password reset. Open the email and click on the reset link provided. Follow the instructions on the password reset page to create a new password. Once you've reset your password, return to the login page. Enter your username and the new password you just created. If you continue to experience issues logging in, there may be an issue with your account status. In that case, contact your local unemployment office for assistance. When prompted, provide your personal information for verification, such as Social Security number or claim number. The representative will be able to help you restore your account access. After restoring access, log in again using your updated credentials. Once logged in, review your account settings for accuracy and update any necessary information. If you need any further assistance, refer to the FAQ section on the UI Online website. Remember to keep your login credentials secure to prevent future issues. By following these steps, you should successfully regain access to your unemployment benefits account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.